everyone, welcome back to my digital marketing page Learn with Easy Tips. Today we will learn about keywords, what they are, why they matter in SEO, and how you can find the right one for your business. What are keywords? Keywords are words or phrases that describe what your business offers. Think of them as the term people type into Google when they are searching for products or services. For example, if you sell shoe or clothes, people might search for things like best sports shoes, shoe shop near me, or clothes for men and women. These search terms are what we call keywords. In SEO, our job is to make sure our website rank well for these keywords so that when people search for them, they find our website. Why keywords are important? Keywords are crucial because search engines use them to decide which content to show in search results. Using the right keyword in your content increases the chances that Google will display your website when someone searches for those terms, that driving more traffic to your website. Now, the big question is, how do you know which keywords people are searching for and which one are good for your business? The answer lies in keyword research, and there are many tools available for this. But one of the best tools is Google Keyword Planner. Now I'm going to explain you how to use Keyword Planner. First step is sign up for Google AdWords to access Keyword Planner because it is the part of Google AdWords. After that, if you encounter a confusing screen, click on Switch to Expert Mode. Then scroll down and select Create an account without a campaign. Choose your country and currency and then go to the overview. Then on the dashboard, on the left side, click on Tools. Then choose Planning and select Keyword Planner. Once inside Keyword Planner, you will see two options. One is Discover New Keywords and other one is Get Search Volume for Forecast. Let's focus on Discover New Keywords. You can search for keywords in two ways. One way is start with a website. Enter your website URL and click Get Results. For example, let's say I use the Nika website. The tool will then suggest keywords related to the website like makeup, beauty products or skincare. You can customize your search by selecting your target country, city, language and data range. Example, the last 12 months I used. The tool will show you the suggested keyword, their monthly search volume, competition level, how many websites are ranking for that keywords, and bidding cost, how much you do pay if you use that keyword in paid ads. You can pick keywords that are most relevant to your website. So the second option is start with keywords. You can also start with some initial keywords that your client suggests or that you can find in your website content. For example, if I am focusing on Nika, my seed word might be makeup, beauty product, or beauty product for all skin types. I would enter some keyword and the tool would then suggest related keywords like I am going to put best makeup products, girls makeup, or face cream. You can choose multiple keywords from these suggestions. You can see the Google Keyword Planner will suggest you so many keywords, so you can choose the best keyword that relevant to your business. So another way to find keywords, it's a Google autocomplete. When you start typing in Google search bar, it will show you autocomplete suggestions, which are great for finding keywords. For example, if you type best face wash, you might see suggestions like best face wash for men, best face wash for acne, or best face wash for oily skin, and many more. You can pick keywords that directly match your products. Next is competitor analysis. When you search for your keywords, check out how your competitors are using them and what keywords they are ranking for. This can give you idea for your own keyword strategy. Other way is related searches. You can check at the bottom of Google search results page. You will see related searches. This can also give you idea for keywords. You can then check this in Keyword Planner to see their competition and search volume before finalizing them. So now here are some tips for choosing keywords. First one is relevance. Pick keywords that exactly match your products or services. Next is search volume. Choose keywords with at least 1000 monthly searches. Competition. Start with low competition keywords to rank faster, then gradually target more competitive ones. Location specific keywords. Include your city, state, or country to target your audience more effectively. Long tail keywords. Use long phrases, 3+ words that are easier to rank for. Special words. Include words like top or best since users often search with these. Competitor analysis. Look at the keywords your competitors are using. Question based keywords. Consider keywords that answer common questions like what is the best face wash for oily skins, etc. These tips will help you find the best keywords for your website. In the next video, we will discuss how to use these keywords effectively. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy tips on digital marketing.